My name is Gilad Andorn. I'm originally from Israel. Before joining Booth, I worked at Google as corporate strategy analyst. When thinking about why doing an MBA, I really wanted to challenge myself and go to a place where I can really explore and design my own journey. I joined a class called Entrepreneurship Discovery, which is the class we started our company in. And essentially there you're supposed to explore problem areas and identify pain points and then develop a solution. And we developed Move Simple, which is a dedicated web-based platform helping international students relocate to the US. We're hoping to really improve access to education to people from other countries. I like adding value to the world and creating and doing something positive, so I think combining that entrepreneurship with social impact is something that really drove me. One of the great opportunities I got at Booth was the PVC Lab. As part of that, I'm interning at a company called Vested World, which is a VC firm based in Chicago, which invests in Eastern and Western Africa, seeds investments. And that was a great opportunity to really get to know the industry with zero risk. I think there's a lot to be said about people who really look to drive results and drive impact and take ownership and leadership, and I think that's appreciated among others. And I think that's what attracted me to become an entrepreneur. And I think that's what attracted me to Booth as well, that you have that ability to really own your destiny and own your own journeys.